Hey everyone, this is Umar Moody, and I'll be walking you through some of the AI capabilities that VIDIZMO has to offer. Starting off with video. In video, VIDIZMO, using the AI, VIDIZMO does visual analysis, where it can detect certain things. So you can always select a file. As well, you can select in bulk too, and even automate it for all the files that are being uploaded, where it can do detections like face detection, person detection, vehicle detections, as you can see up here. You can even go inside the file itself and do certain detections, as you can see up here. And once you have the detection is completed, you can always come back to the file and see the detected capabilities. And these detected capabilities, it helps you basically search and find instead of watching the whole footage end to end. And also it will help you redact those components too. So example, in this one I did certain detections like license plate, face, and car. I can go to the specific license plates I want to redact, right? And I can select to redact it. And when it comes to redact it, we'll either have a solid black box on top of it, or you can switch it to pixelation as well as blurring. So it helps you kind of like do that too. Besides that, if you have done detection for searchability itself, you can always go to that specific file. So in this one, as you can see, there's person being detected, faces. You can search inside the search bar up here, and it will tell you exactly where that person is popping up by going inside that video, or you can even search in the main search bar. The other thing VIDIZMO does is that if you even have a video file, it does audio analysis, where it can do sentiment analysis, as you can see up here, where it's giving you a negative vibe, neutral vibe, positive vibe. It can do keyword detections, like where it's talking about what specific things, and all of this information is searchable as well. VIDIZMO also do transcription and translation. When it comes to transcription, we can do 12 most spoken languages with multiple dialects, and then we can translate up to 52 plus languages. And it helps you search and find easily based on this transcription and translation, as well as we are able to do summarization and segmenting based on the audio analysis. And just to show you an example, in this footage, I did both. I did summarization. As you can see, instead of watching that whole 40 minutes video, it tells you a summary of what happened, what went through, and you can even go to that specific segments by going into the transcription, searching those specific parts. Like example, if I'm searching for Fargo, it will tell me where exactly Wells Fargo is popping up inside that footage. And once you click on it, it will take you to that exact point. Moreover, it does the segmenting for you. Segmenting is kind of like creating chunks of what happened in that specific footage. Like example, if it's a CCTV footage that you have uploaded and the incident take place only like for 15 minutes or something like that, it will auto segment using the AI for you instead of you doing it manually. And all of this again is searchable, so you can easily search and find all of this segments as well. When it comes to translation, just to show you an example, if you have any footage that you have uploaded inside the system with different language. So example, in this one it was Spanish. So you will see the Spanish transcription, and then you can even search for the other. I think in this footage I had multiple, as you can see up here, so you can go to that specific translations as well. And all of this translation and transcription is extractable using the download option. You can extract it as a PDF, CSV, or document format. And once you have selected that, you can do it with translation or without translation easily by selecting the template up here. And you can have your own templates as well. And when it comes to the searchability, you can either search inside the footage, right? Or you can search up here in the search bar. and it will tell you exactly where that specific word or even an object, if you're searching for it, it will tell you exactly where it's popping up. So example in this one, it's popping up here, here. You can even enlarge this, go to that specific point by clicking on it, and it will automatically play the footage and show you, as you can see, it will show you where it's popping up inside the video. Likewise, if you're uploading any audio files like 911 audio calls, VIDIZMO is able to, using the AI, it's able to do the detections, like transcription, translation. It can even do redaction. Like the person's name, social security number, address. So in this instance, I did the redaction of the address. So up here, you're able to kind of like, listen to the audio and see the redaction within the transcript, as well as like in the audio file, when you hear it, it's going to either mute or bleep it from that audio call. It also does summarization as well on what happened inside this, that gives you a summary easily, so people can review it later on. Similar to video and audio, VIDIZMO supports 255 plus file formats, so you can upload documents, images, and any type of digital files, and it will do the same thing for you. With documents, you are also able to go inside and redact certain things. So example, if I have a document like a PDF format or a Word document or even a PSD file, you're able to select them, like example right here, and you can select them in bulk and select to redact. And any information like keywords, if you know a person's name that you want to remove from the document, you'll be able to do that by typing in their name. So I know in this one there was a person called Hannah, so I can type it in, right? And I can even do patterns like social security number, IP address, credit card information, and I can even add more patterns depending on your use case, right? What you want to remove. And once you do redact and publish, it creates a separate redacted copy where you're able to review it and ensure that specific redacted file with this specific person. As you can see up here, I was able to redact that person's name, and I do also have the original copy where I can go to the next file and see the original file where you can clearly see that person's name. Similar to audio and video, VIDIZMO is also able to summarize what happened inside that file using the AI. So if you have a long, document with multiple pages, you can easily summarize it and tell you exactly what happened inside it. And we can even fine-tune some of the use case scenarios depending on the customers, on what they're trying to accomplish. So VIDIZMO offers, customization and even training the AI based on the customer's data as well, which is only used by the customer itself and nobody else. And besides that, that will be it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.